In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed videos and audios in your Adalo app. Let's walk through the exact flow you'll use, and I'll share tips along the way so you get a clean, reliable result. Start by opening Adalo and loading the app you want to edit. Once your app is open, look to the left sidebar for the plus icon. Clicking this opens the components library, where you'll add new elements to your screens. From here, switch to the simple category. This section contains the core building blocks you'll use most often, including the media components. Find and select the video component. With it selected, click directly on the canvas where you want the player to appear. You can place it in a header, the main body of the screen, or even inside a list cell if you're building a feed. Adalo drops the video player in that spot and opens its settings so you can configure it right away. Now enter your video URL. Use a publicly accessible link that can be played on the web, like a YouTube or Vimeo share link, or a direct MP4 hosted on a CDN or file host. Make sure the link isn't behind a login or restricted by privacy settings, otherwise the player won't load for your users. If you're pulling the URL from your database, confirm the field contains the full, correct link. Next, choose your thumbnail. This is the image users see before playback starts, so pick a clear, on-brand visual. You can upload a custom graphic or select an image from your collections. After that, set a placeholder image. Think of this as a backup or loading state image. Keeping the thumbnail and placeholder consistent helps your layout feel polished and prevents jarring transitions on slower connections. Adjust video cropping to control how the video sits inside its frame. Select fill if you want an edge-to-edge full bleed look that crops the sides when necessary. Choose fit if you need the entire video visible without any cropping, accepting background space where needed. You can also drag the component's resize handles on the canvas to dial in the exact dimensions that suit your design. Once all of that looks good, you're done. Give it a quick check and preview to confirm the URL plays correctly and the visuals look crisp across the device sizes you care about. If the video doesn't appear, revisit the link and hosting permissions. If you're adding audio, the flow is the same from the plus icon and simple category. Pick the audio component, paste a hosted audio URL like an MP3, and pair it with a cover image for a clean player experience. That's it. Your media is embedded and ready for your users.